Hello everyone, in this video we are going to discuss some current affairs questions. Hope you are doing very well. Now coming to the first question. First question is Mother Teresa of Maharashtra who recently died. So Sindhu Tai Sapkal, she recently died. She is also known as Mother Teresa of Maharashtra. Very good lady, Mother Teresa of Maharashtra. Okay, she is also known as Mother of Orphans because she has done extensive work in educating or orphaned children in India. Okay, she recently died. Sindhu Tai Sapkal. She is also known as Mother Teresa of Maharashtra. She is from Maharashtra. Also, one Maharashtra related question: कि प्रभा अत्रे, who is the vocalist of Kirana Gharana? She got the Padma Vibhushan in 2022. Total 4 person got the Padma Vibhushan in 2022, and she was one of them, Prabha Atre. Then second question is which Muslim majority country constituted a committee to look after minority community temples? So in Pakistan, a committee has been created to look after Hindu temples in Pakistan. Okay, in Pakistan. Other Pakistan related question very much in news. Imran Khan has been removed and Shahbaz Sharif, brother of Nawaz Sharif, has become Pakistan's new PM. And also there was very high voltage drama because their parliament was dissolved at the last moment and it was overturned by then Chief Justice of Pakistan. Okay, Chief Justice of Pakistan Umar Ata Bandial, and there was no confidence motion and Imran Khan government was removed and Shahbaz Sharif became the new PM. So this becomes important. Chief Justice of Pakistan currently Umar Ata Bandial, and right now in India Justice N.V. Ramanna is 48th Chief Justice of India. Also Pakistan related question कि Pakistan's first transgender female doctor, तो Dr. Sara Gill is the first Pakistani transgender female doctor. Then in Republic Day 2022 parade, which state tableau got first prize? Okay, तो यूपी राम मंदिर tableau got the first prize in Republic Day 2022 parade, and there was no chief guest in 2021 and 2022. This has been already asked in cancelled 67th BPSC exam. Then first company to have a market value of 3 trillion US dollar. So Apple has become the most valued company in the world with a market value of 3 trillion US dollars, and Apple CEO is Tim Cook. Then Assam government has decided to increase size of which national park for Gharial conservation? So Orang National Park size will be increased for Gharial conservation. Earlier it was known as Rajiv Gandhi Orang National Park. Now Rajiv Gandhi name has been removed and it is now known as Orang National Park. Total 7 national park in Assam. Dehing Patkai and Ramona Reserve, which were reserve, recently got national park status. Then Kaziranga National Park, famous for one-horned rhinoceros. It became the first national park to have satellite phone service. Then in Assam, Judima rice wine got the GI tag, discussed question. Then Assam's highest civilian award, which was given for the first time, and it was given to Mr. Ratan Tata. And also in Assam, India's first multimodal logistics park will be created in Jogi Ghopa, Assam. Okay, India's first multimodal logistics park, and India's largest multimodal logistic park will be created in Ahmedabad, Gujarat. Okay, and in budget it was decided that 4 multimodal logistic park contract will be given through PPP mode, public private partnership mode. And in Assam there is a Fish Wale app. From this app you can buy fish and fish related substances. Then which country announced to name its one major metro station after father of the nation, father of India, Mahatma Gandhi? To in Mauritius, a metro station will be named after Mahatma Gandhi ji. India is very good relation with Mauritius because there are very much Indian diaspora living over there. Then origin of Saraswati river, the lost Saraswati river, which has been mentioned extensively in our old scriptures, Ganga, Yamuna, Saraswati. So origin of Saraswati river is supposed as Adi Badri in Haryana. Then theme of economic survey 2021-2022. तो theme of economic survey of 2021-2022 was agile approach. Agile approach. In this approach, what will happen? कि approach will be as per the situation. Okay, dynamic solution. Okay, dynamic solution, very good approach, agile approach. And as per the economic survey, total covid dose given in a year was 157 crore. Then theme of economic survey 2020-21, obviously corona was on rise, so theme of that economic survey was saving lives and livelihood. And as per that economic survey, share of consumption in Indian gross domestic product was 59.7%. Nearly 60% is the consumption share in Indian GDP. Then union territory with highest percentage of forest cover. We already know in state highest percentage of forest cover is in Mizoram percentage wise. In union territory, Lakshadweep has the highest percentage of forest cover. Then Lakshadweep related question कि 9 degree channel separate Lakshadweep and Minicoy Island. Okay, and it has also been decided that Lakshadweep will create water village with the help of Maldives for tourism. Okay, and 10 degree channel separates Andaman and Nicobar. Then ONGC first woman head. So ONGC first woman head Dr. Alka Mittal has become the ONGC first woman chairman. SAIL woman chairman Steel lady Soma Mandal. SEBI chairman woman chairman Madhavi Puri Buch. Then PM Modi ji has inaugurated a new integrated terminal of Maharaja Bir Bikram Airport. It is situated in which state? So it is situated in Tripura. Maharaja Bir Bikram was the last king, and during his time Tripura integrated with our country India. So Tripura new integrated terminal was inaugurated by Modi ji. And latest CM has been removed 1 year before election. After removing Biplab Dev, Manik Saha has become the Chief Minister of Tripura. Then Modi ji laid foundation stone of Major Dhyan Chand Sports University where? So in Meerut, a sports university will be built named after Major Dhyan Chand, magician of hockey in Meerut. In Meerut also India's first war memorial for animals will be built, already discussed. Then there was a campaign, better health smoke free campaign in United Kingdom, England. In this what will happen कि smokers are encouraged to take become smoke free as a new year resolution. So this campaign has been launched in United Kingdom, England. Prime Minister of UK is Boris Johnson. And also in UK, G7 2021 meet happened. These are important. G7 meet 2021 UK. G20 happened in Italy. Okay, these are already discussed. We are just revising. Okay, United Kingdom, better health smoke free campaign. Next question is super mom or collar wali tigress. A tigress famous as super mom or collar wali passed away. She resided in which national park? So she was from Pench National Park. She was famous as super mom or collar wali due to her collar. Super mom because he gave birth to 25 plus cubs, tigers. Okay, in Pench National Park, Madhya Pradesh, she was living. And Pench National Park is also supposed as inspiration of very famous Rudyard Kipling's The Jungle Book movie. There are also movie in this The Jungle Book. Okay, super mom or collar wali. She became famous after a BBC documentary, and tourists flocked to Pench National Park to see her, super mom or collar wali tigress. And also in Madhya Pradesh, India's first geological park will be built in Jabalpur district, Lamheta village, on the banks of Narmada river. So Narmada originate from which place? Amarkantak. Narmada and Son both originate from Amarkantak. And in Jabalpur, Madhya Pradesh, India's first geological park will be built. And Geological Survey of India headquarters is in Kolkata. Similarly, Forest Survey of India headquarter is in Dehradun, Uttarakhand. Then tiger related question, superworm or collar wali was living in Pench National Park, but which is the national park which has highest number of tigers? So very famous Jim Corbett National Park. Jim Corbett National Park has the highest number of tigers, which is situated in Uttarakhand, Jim Corbett National Park. Then International Monetary Fund related question, IMF headquarter is in Washington DC, and latest chief economist Pierre-Olivier Gourinchard, which is from France, has become the IMF chief economist, and IMF head is Kristalina Georgieva, which she is from Bulgaria, Sofia, Bulgaria. And second most powerful person of IMF, that means DMD, Deputy Managing Director. So Indian origin, Geeta Gopinath is the DMD of IMF. Okay, and very funny thing is Geeta Gopinath has done her PhD under Pierre-Olivier Gourinchard. He was one of her supervisor in Princeton University. Then IPL 2022 sponsor. So IPL 2022 is known as Tata IPL 2022. Okay, Tata has become the sponsor of IPL 2022. Then Baiju has become one of the sponsors of Qatar Football World Cup 2022. Baiju, a tech company. Amar Jawan Jyoti establishment year. So Amar Jawan Jyoti was created after India's win over Pakistan in Indo-Pakistan War 1971, after which what happened? Bangladesh got its freedom, and to commemorate this, Amar Jawan Jyoti was established in 1972, and it has been recently merged with National War Memorial. Okay, then supercomputers under National Supercomputer Mission 2015. So there is a mission of supercomputers. In this, supercomputers will be established in different institutions. So most powerful is Param Parveg. Param Parveg has been established in Indian Institute of Science Bangalore, IISc Bangalore, and Parveg is also the name of their annual feast, IISc Bangalore. Param Parveg. Parveg means acceleration, and it is India's fastest in educational institution. In India's educational institution, that means in colleges, Param Parveg is the fastest supercomputer. Supercomputer is very necessary for computing, for weather forecasting, for artificial intelligence, for research purposes. For this purpose, National Supercomputing Mission 2015 has been launched, and Param Parveg has been established in IISc Bangalore, and India's fastest supercomputer is situated in CDEC Pune, and name of that supercomputer is Param Siddhi artificial intelligence supercomputer. Why there is name Param is everywhere? Because India's first supercomputer name was Param, that's why Param Parveg. Then Param Siddhi is India's fastest. In Indian colleges, Param Parveg has become the fastest supercomputer. Okay, then other such supercomputer, very easy to remember. There are logic. Okay, Shiva, Lord Shiva is related to Banaras. That's why in IIT BHU Varanasi supercomputer has been named as Param Shiva. Then in Bengal region, Sakti has been famous. Sakti is famous. Worship of Ma Durga, Ma Kali, Sakti. So Param Sakti has been established in West Bengal, IIT Kharagpur. Then Ganga originated in Uttarakhand region. So in IIT Roorkee, Param Ganga is the name of supercomputer. So very easy to remember all these things. Then foundation stone of world's third and India's second largest cricket stadium by Dada Weir. So world's largest cricket stadium is Modi Stadium in Gujarat. Okay. Then in world's third and India's second largest cricket stadium foundation stone has been done by BCCI chairman, BCCI president Saurabh Ganguly in Jaipur, Rajasthan. In Rajasthan also, world's largest bell will be built in Kota, on Kota Chambal front, to increase the tourism, to improve the tourism. world's largest well will be built? So world's largest will be built in Rajasthan. Then some Bihar related question कि per capita GSDP of Bihar in fiscal year 2020-21 is 34,314 rupee. You have to remember this data because BPSC asks such data. Okay, there has been marginal improvement from 30,000 to 34,000. Okay, then district, Bihar district with lowest per capita GSDP, and it is also the same district which is smallest in size. So that means Sevhar, smallest size, highest population density district, and also district with lowest per capita GSDP. That means poorest district. So Sevhar. Then in Bihar Republic Day 2022 parade, which Bihar tableau got first prize? So Bihar Education Project Council tableau got the first prize in Bihar Republic Day parade, which happens in Gandhi Maidan, Patna. Then Bihar's first model floriculture center. Floriculture center means related to flower. Okay, so this is going to be built in Nitish Kumar's home district, Nalanda, obviously. Bihar's first model floriculture center in Nalanda. Then Mandar Mountain, which is situated in Baka, it will be created into a peacock sanctuary. So in Baka, Mandar Mountain is going to be built a peacock sanctuary. So in Mandar, we are talking about mountain. That's why we are revising ki what is the Bihar's highest peak. So Bihar's highest peak is supposed as Someshwar Fort, which is situated in West Champaran. Someshwar Hill, Someshwar Fort, West Champaran. Buri Gandak originates from Someshwar Hill region, and it is also the Bihar's highest peak, West Champaran. Okay, Valmiki National Park, West Champaran. Then which industry of Bihar attracted highest investment to ethanol? In Bihar, there is very high focus on ethanol promotion. There was also a ethanol promotion policy in Bihar. Bihar became the first state to bring out ethanol promotion policy. And under this, first ethanol plant of Bihar will be built in Bhojpur, Ara district. Bhojpur, Ara, first ethanol power plant of Bihar, and India's first ethanol plant will be built in Chhattisgarh. Okay, Chhattisgarh, Chief Minister of Chhattisgarh, Bhupesh Baghel. Okay, that's all. Questions are taken from MPN Academy test number 21-23. Okay, kindly use this app. Okay, this app gives you the access of unlimited attempts, so it will be very easy to cover current affairs question. Okay, also there is a request, kindly join me on my Telegram channel for data dissemination purpose. I share my data over there. Okay, that's all. Take care. Thanks. Bye bye and take care.